This is why I showed up and came all the way out here, was to work with the products team, the R&D team, looking at some products that we're working on. Notice how we can sit here and have a conversation. You know, it's really quiet.
You don't have the gearbox, so you don't have a lot of like loose play.
It would start.
Yeah, I like that. It's cool to see the people that are behind the product. They poured their heart and soul into it, and that was very clear to me. I would be using this, you know, here, you know, in this area, these tight areas, and the body is perfect for that. So it's really naturally balanced, like it's naturally flat. Oh yeah, this is really good. This is really good.